This tranquil, privately owned 72-acre nature reserve and retreat center is teeming with birds throughout lush wetland and woodland areas. Dozens of bird species utilize this valuable wetland area to raise their young. Or capture insects on the wing like these swallows. Birds find ample food as they forage throughout Earth Sanctuary. This prime habitat offers birds protected areas to care for their plumage. Or gather nesting materials. Earth Sanctuary offers countless opportunities to watch birds in action. The magic of this place is you'll never know what you're going to see. Earth Sanctuary is a must for any birder.